Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to prune inactive members on Discord using the new two-stage pruning flow. Select the checkbox next to a member name. This enables the prune button at the top. Click the prune button to open the prune members dialog. Select the more than 30 days ago radio button to set your inactivity threshold. Click the select drop-down to choose which roles to include in the prune. For this example, I'm selecting moderator, member, new role, and server admin. Click the prune button in the dialog to remove all inactive members matching those criteria. If you need to prune by a different time frame, Discord also offers 7 days and 1 day options in that same dialog. Members are only removed if they've had 0 activity for the full period you select. Lurkers who occasionally view channels won't be pruned. You can run prune as often as you need to keep your member count accurate, but be aware there's no undo. Once members are removed, they'll need to rejoin through a fresh invite. And that's how to prune inactive members on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.